finally moved into our apartment on our own, and all of our furniture is in. Everything that we have furniture-wise is done, but we're not completely finished with the apartment yet. So instead of doing an apartment tour, I'm gonna do apartment, like shopping for an apartment on a budget. So I'm gonna list everything and all the prices in the vlog, and then I'm going to comment below a link to everything that we bought and the prices next to them. So let's get started.
Yay.
The first thing we bought was this nice gray couch. We actually got it off of Amazon, and it was only $150 or $200. I actually don't remember the price exactly. This and the bedboard is what I don't remember. These nice lamps we got at Ross for only $20 each. There's one over here. And the tables that they're sitting on was only $10 each from Walmart. So most of the stuff that we got is actually going to be from Walmart and Target. This is our nice TV stand that was only $60 from Walmart, which was a very good price. In the dining room, we have the dining room table, which was actually given to us for free, and it was originally brown, but as you can tell, we did not do a very good job, but we spray painted it. And over here is some nice little, I don't know what you want to call these, cubby holes, I guess, that were for $10 from Walmart. That was also a very good deal. And we just got, you'll notice all through the apartment, we have these little boxes that were like $3 that we just stuck all around to put stuff in. And one of my favorite parts is the kitchen. And besides the bedroom, this is one of my favorite parts. Everything is black and red. Not much really furniture-wise in here. I mean, the microwave was like $50, and that was from Walmart. And here's our laundry room, and here's more of the bins that were only $3, and they're great for storage, and we put all of our like toilet paper and our cleaning supplies in here. We got these cute little marble holders from Target. They're so cute, and we have a marble trash can that matches it. And all the towels are from JCPenney's and Target. And the shower curtain is also from Target. And the shower curtain was only, or no, the shower curtain was from Walmart, and it was only like $10 maybe, and the towels were like $3 or $4 a piece. The headboard, like I said, it was off of Amazon. I don't remember the cost exactly. I think it was actually only around $70, but again, I'm not for sure. And our mattress is actually, it's not a Tempur-Pedic mattress, but it is like a knockoff Tempur-Pedic mattress, and it is very comfortable. These cute little marble lamps to match the marble bathroom were only $10 from Walmart, and we each have our own marble lamp. My tables and the dresser were all included. They're at a cool little place called Court Furniture. I've actually never heard of it before until we got here. And the dresser was only $100, and the bedside tables were each $60. Here we have a cute little mirror, and that was only $10 from, actually no, I think it was only like $5 from Walmart. And inside we have a full walk-in closet. This is all my clothes, my winter, my summer, and these are Kohl's. And then I have a cute little shoe rack, it's kind of hard to see, that holds all my shoes. That was literally maybe like $10. Oh, and we have these laundry bins. There's one for me and one for Cole. And those were also very cheap. They were $6. And the lamp was from Walmart for $10. The Couture pillow and the fuzzy pillow and also the Paris pillow in the living room are both from Home Goods. Okay, so out here we have our cute little patio. And actually, I might not have to open this patio. And we have some string lights. And those string lights were from Target. And the chairs, the chairs are from Ace, and they were each $20. And here's our view for our apartment. There's the pool over there. We're on the second floor, the basketball court. So that was our, So that was our first little apartment video. I'm gonna do a real apartment video when we get everything that's super cute in, and it looks really nice and everything later on, like in the future. But this was just really to show you the budget of everything, and that you can apartment shop on a budget. And I'm glad that we actually did get cheaper stuff. It might not last as long as all the good stuff, but we did save a lot of money, and when it comes to like having to buy groceries and stuff, we now have a lot of extra money to spend for that. So I hope you guys like this video, and like, subscribe, and comment below.